Welcome back to our channel GetAssist English, and in today's video I will tell you YouTube is going to be different now with some exciting new features for its users. How? Let me show you in this video what are the new changes which YouTube has adopted to make your experience more better. So watch this video till the end to know the whole exciting features of YouTube. Number 1. Youtab. YouTube has just removed the library section and has added Youtab instead. This tab will work as a fusion of library and account page for your YouTube account. You can see YouTube activity merged with watch history, purchases, playlist, and many more things on this tab only. Number 2. 2x speed. Now you can just press and hold on to the any YouTube video to increase its speed. This new feature is great for a long boring video parts which you want to skip and you want to increase the speed. Number 3. Larger previews. YouTube has just made it easier for people to seek the right to spot with a larger previews. Now press on the bar button, drag it up, and you can find any clip with a large thumbnail. Number 4. Share your clips. By far the best feature. YouTube has just added this feature, which is clip sharing feature. Simply open a video, tap on these 3 dots, select the clip icon and name it to clip. Crop it according to your choice and tap on share button. Now that your clip is ready, you can copy paste the link to anyone. When you will click on the link, a YouTube video like this will open. So these are the 4 features which has been introduced by YouTube, and more new features will be announced soon by YouTube. So if you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.